Histology is the study of tissues and their structure in relation to their function. In this script, we will delve into the intricate world of histology, specifically focusing on the adipose tissue. Adipose tissue, commonly known as fat, plays a pivotal role in our body. It cushions organs, provides insulation, and serves as an energy reservoir. Throughout this script, we will explore various aspects of adipose tissue, including its cellular components, blood supply, innervation, and the impact of aging and diseases on adipose tissue. Let us embark on this journey into the world of histology and discover the fascinating intricacies of adipose tissue. Adipocytes are the main cellular constituent of adipose tissue. These specialized cells are responsible for storing triglycerides, which make up the majority of fat in our bodies. They are unique in their morphology, with a large central lipid droplet that pushes the nucleus to the periphery. This arrangement allows efficient storage of triglycerides while still maintaining the basic cellular machinery needed for adipocyte function. Adipocytes communicate with other cells through secreted molecules called adipokines, which we will explore later in this script. The panniculus adiposus refers to the layer of adipose tissue located beneath the dermis and above the underlying muscle. It is present in various regions of the body, including the abdomen, buttocks, and thighs. The panniculus adiposus varies in thickness between individuals, serving both as a source of variation in body shape and as an energy storage depot. Its thickness is influenced by factors such as genetics, diet, hormonal changes, and overall health. Fibroblasts are crucial cells present within adipose tissue. They contribute to the structural support of adipose tissue by producing and maintaining the extracellular matrix, a complex network of proteins and carbohydrates. Fibroblasts also play a role in wound healing and tissue remodeling through the synthesis of collagen and other components of the extracellular matrix. The interaction between fibroblasts and adipocytes is vital for the proper functioning of adipose tissue. Adipose tissue relies heavily on a robust blood supply to meet its metabolic demands. Angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels, is a critical process in adipose tissue development, growth, and maintenance. Adipose tissue releases various pro-angiogenic factors, stimulating the formation of new blood vessels. This process ensures an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients to the rapidly expanding adipose tissue. Alongside blood vessels, lymphatic vessels are integral to the functioning of adipose tissue. These vessels form an intricate network that drains excess fluid, waste products, and immune cells from the tissue. The lymphatic system, encompassing lymphatic vessels and lymph nodes, plays a crucial role in maintaining tissue homeostasis and immune responses within adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is innervated by a dense network of nerves known as the hypodermal nerve plexus. These nerves provide sensory input and regulate various aspects of adipose tissue function, including lipolysis, the breakdown of stored triglycerides. Adipose tissue is responsive to both sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system signaling, which influences its metabolic activity. Adipose tissue is not just a homogeneous mass, it interacts intimately with the skin and its appendages. Hair follicles, sweat glands, and sebaceous glands are associated with adipose tissue. These structures are vital for thermoregulation, lubrication, and the growth of hair. The close relationship between adipose tissue and skin appendages highlights the integration of multiple tissues in maintaining skin health and function. Neurovascular bundles are specialized structures within adipose tissue that consist of blood vessels, nerves, and supporting connective tissue. These bundles serve as conduits for oxygen, nutrients, and nerve signaling, allowing direct communication between blood vessels, nerves, and adipose cells. This intricate network is essential for the coordination of metabolic processes and the regulation of adipose tissue function. Liposuction is a cosmetic surgical procedure used to remove excess adipose tissue from specific areas of the body. This procedure involves making small incisions and using suction to extract adipose tissue. While liposuction can provide aesthetic benefits, it is essential to note that it does not address the underlying causes of excessive adipose tissue deposition and should be complemented with a healthy lifestyle to maintain long-term results. Aging has a profound impact on adipose tissue. As we age, adipose tissue undergoes structural and functional changes. The number and size of adipocytes increase, leading to an overall increase in adipose tissue mass. Additionally, adipose tissue becomes less metabolically active, which can contribute to the development of metabolic disorders such as type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and insulin resistance. Lipodystrophy is a rare disorder characterized by the abnormal distribution or absence of adipose tissue. This condition often leads to metabolic abnormalities, including insulin resistance, lipid disturbances, and complications associated with fat redistribution. Lipodystrophy can be either inherited or acquired and requires comprehensive management strategies to address its significant impact on overall health. Adipokines are bioactive molecules secreted by adipose tissue. They play a critical role in regulating various physiological processes, including appetite, energy expenditure, insulin sensitivity, and inflammation. Adipokines act as signaling molecules, facilitating communication between adipose tissue and other organs. Dysregulation of adipokine production is associated with the development of metabolic disorders, such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. In conclusion, adipose tissue is a complex and dynamic component of our body. Its cellular constituents, blood supply, innervation, and interactions with other tissues contribute to its diverse functions. Aging, diseases, and disorders can significantly impact adipose tissue, highlighting the importance of understanding its histological characteristics and physiological roles. As we conclude this script, let us appreciate the remarkable intricacies of adipose tissue and its relevance in both health and disease.